Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Weeklies. My name is Josh, and today let's talk about Ethereum Bitcoin in terms of Ether Bitcoin ratio. This ratio can be interpreted as how many Bitcoin can you get for one Ethereum. So, for example, if you sold one Ether in February of 2018, you could get almost uh, 0.09, so almost one tenth of a Bitcoin. Whereas if you sold that is in the bull market, that was whereas in the bear market of 2019, uh, you could get only one almost 150 one divided by 50 part of Bitcoin in September of 2019. So this means whenever the color is red, that means you are getting a good deal selling Ethereum for Bitcoin, not financial advice. This is historical data. So in the phases when the color is red, that means you are getting a good deal for selling Ethereum and buying Bitcoin with that sold Ether. Whereas the opposite is true. Whenever the color code is green, that means by selling your Bitcoin, you are getting a good deal on Ethereum. So this is the trading pair, and this is color coded using a metric known as Z-score, which tracks how far the price is away from the average price in terms of standard deviation. So let's get started with the actual forecasts. Starting from August of 2023 till January 2024. This is a monthly average scale. So this is and the ratio is in terms of Ether and Bitcoin. So Ether's price divided by Bitcoin's price. That's why you are seeing everything in fractions, because usually if you see right now, Bitcoin is trending around 30,000, whereas Ethereum is around 2,000. uh, so that's the reason why if you divide 2,000 by 30,000, you will get a fraction. Let's set the agenda. I will be presenting three scenarios: the base case, the bull case, and the bear case for this particular uh, uh, crypto pair. And that would be at a monthly average level. And these forecasts are not financial advice. These are created using AI algorithm and historical data at a monthly level. So for the base case scenario, before I continue with my forecast, I would like to evaluate. This is the second video I have made on this particular topic, the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio forecast. In the first video I made in June of 2023, there has been some divergence. That's why I updated the model. In when I had data the first time I created, I had data till May 2023, and I had forecasted using AI a price of 0.0. I'll ignore the zero point 0.0 part here from here on. I had forecasted for the month of June of 6922 price, 0.06922, whereas in reality the Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin fell to about 0.065. So and similarly in July, the my forecast was around 0.069. Yet again, the price has again seen a downturn to about 0.062. So with this divergence in mind, and the phase of the market cycle that we are in, I decided to update my forecast till January 2024. So for August, the forecasted monthly average price is around 0.061. For September, 0.058, and this is the base case. For November, 0.057. For November is 57. For December is 65, and for January it's 68, about the same level that it was around in April of 2023. So this is the base case, and this is devoid of any other macro multiplier. So the bull case is, what if the macro in an environment favors risk assets till January 2024, and there is the riskier asset, that is Ethereum, uh, stays at an elevated valuation than Bitcoin, which is slightly less risky. So these are the theoretical ceiling prices. For August is at 63 level, 0.063. For September is 0.061 level. For October is 0.660, and for November is exactly 60. For December is at 68, and for January is at 70. This is the bull case for ETH-BTC forecast. uh, and then the last case is actually considers what could happen in case of a recession or extreme bearish scenario in the macro, and in the price at that particular scenario is favoring Bitcoin over Ethereum. So for the month of August, the price is at around the ratio is around for one Ether you could get only less than 0.04 Bitcoin, which was particularly the value if before the the bull run in 2021. This was the valuation of Ether Bitcoin pair up until April 2021. Since May, though, the valuation has been stagnant in the 0.6 to 0.8 range. Though we had a slightly lower valuation in June of 2022, but that was short-lived. So in case of a recession or a extreme bearish scenario, the AI model has forecasted the valuation to be basically reset to the point where it was before the bull run. So for September it is 3.7, for October is 3.6, for November is 3.5, and this 3.5 level is around where ETH was in March of 2021, and December is 4.4, and January it's 4.6. So this is the particularly bearish scenario where almost you, you would get a fraction of uh, in terms of whole numbers, the valuation of Bitcoin over Ethereum would be over here in especially in November 2023 would be around 32 ETH for 1 BTC. To reverse analyze in bull case, the lowest would be 0.06. That means one uh, for one Bitcoin you could get almost 16 ETHs for one Bitcoin, and in the base case it's 5.7, so almost like 18 ETH per Bitcoin. So these are all the forecasts that I wanted to share. I'll make a inverse of this forecast as well sometime this month, so I hope you stick around and watch that forecast as well. I have created a similar one in the month of July, so do check that one out in the meanwhile. That is Bitcoin divided by ETH. This is ETH divided by Bitcoin. And if you like this content, please give us a, thumbs up, and or subscribe to our channel, and also check out the playlist that is attached to this video. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.